Something big is unfolding at Camp Nou right now, and it's happening faster than expected. New structural pieces are arriving, installations are accelerating, and key areas are suddenly coming back to life. From the south goal to the north corner, there are signs that we may be entering a critical phase. But the real question is, are we ahead of schedule or hiding delays behind the progress? Let's break down everything happening on site right now. Today, we're bringing you one of the most interesting updates from the stadium, as the third-tier area shows clear signs of steady and visible progress across the upper structure. Attention is gradually shifting toward finishing and protective treatments, similar to what has already been completed in the lower and middle tiers. With major structural parts already in place, focus is now on refining and securing the remaining upper sections. Overall, this third tier reflects well-coordinated and consistent progress, with structural work and finishing tasks moving together as the stadium continues to evolve toward its final form. At the south goal, the top level shows several workers operating from elevated platforms, focused on a black steel beam. The angle makes it difficult to see perfectly, but it looks like they're applying a protective white layer, likely part of the coating or fireproofing process. Along the same line, more crews are active within this south goal section. On the right, a mounted machine sits on supports prepared for sandwich panels. With the structural beams already installed, this zone is clearly shifting toward the next phase of exterior finishing. Across the south goal section, workers are concentrated on anchor points. Some are tightening, others appear to be double-checking alignment. This stage is all about precision, making sure everything is perfectly set before moving forward. All signs point toward the next step being ceramic lama installation. The anchors are in place, and once the guides are finalized, this area will be ready to receive its outer layer. Inside the stadium, one of the most complex tasks is currently underway: the electrical cable installation. It may not be the most visible work, but it is absolutely essential given the size of Camp Nou. Installing a full electrical system is a huge challenge. It requires time, precision, and careful planning across every section. Right now, the work is progressing steadily, connecting different areas and preparing the stadium for lighting, broadcasting, safety systems, and much more. Moving into the lateral area, the corner is now filled with new materials. 4 radial beams are laid out, including one smaller, uniquely shaped piece that stands out from the rest. Alongside them, 2 compression ring segments are ready. The pace here remains consistent, with new segments being installed every few days, steadily pushing the structure forward. The compression ring is becoming more defined with each update. It now stretches across the lateral side and is approaching the corner, where the geometry begins to shift toward the goal sections. In these goal areas, the structure sits slightly deeper inside compared to the lateral stands. This transition is now clearly visible as the ring continues to expand and connect. Another key development is the installation of vertical supports for the ceramic lamas, especially around the mobility cores. Mid-level supports are already visible near the walkways. Work is ongoing to extend these supports both upward and downward. Once completed, they will allow the lamas to connect seamlessly across multiple sections, forming a continuous facade. In the upper structure, work continues on a hydraulic piston system, while nearby areas show lighter but ongoing activity. Even where movement seems minimal, structural definition is improving with each passing day. Below, temporary supports are being repositioned to prepare for upcoming installations of radial beams. The groundwork here suggests more visible progress is coming soon. In the corner section, a large pillar is being repositioned, likely staged for its next lift rather than immediate installation. Around it, several key elements are visible, including radial beams and compression ring segments, showing a steady flow of materials arriving on site. At the same time, crews are focused on refining guide alignment, carefully measuring and adjusting anchor points to prepare for future lama installation. A previously delayed segment has now been successfully installed, adding to the momentum in this area. Overall, The work here feels controlled and well-coordinated, with each step building smoothly toward the next major phase of construction. In the third Voladizo area, a large structural box is being lifted and precisely positioned with highly coordinated teamwork, showing impressive control and accuracy during this complex operation. Despite the technical challenge, the installation is progressing smoothly, with perfect synchronization between lifting systems and on-ground guidance ensuring exact placement. Overall, this moment reflects strong, well-executed progress and highlights the advanced level of construction now taking shape in this upper section of the stadium. A major highlight comes from the north corner, where lama installation is back underway. A new panel is being lifted into position using 2 elevated platforms, with workers coordinating from both levels. This section had paused earlier for painting and protective treatments on beams and bolts. With that work now complete, installation has resumed across both upper and lower areas, including the false ceiling. Inside the structure, workers are applying anti-corrosion coating to bolts before the final black finish is added. This step is critical for durability and long-term performance. Elsewhere, formwork panels are being set up for concrete pours, while welding, drilling, and cable support installations continue across multiple. These smaller tasks are essential to the overall build quality. In the Tribuna terrace corner area, upper-level works are clearly taking shape, with active drilling just beneath the already installed support system, showing a precise layered connection between structural levels. What stands out is how smoothly the steel components are integrating into the main beam system, giving this section a far more advanced and structured look than earlier stages. Even the diamond area connection is now appearing more aligned and defined, highlighting clear, steady progress. Overall, the coordination between the Tribuna corner and diamond area feels well controlled, with vertical supports in place and crane activity ongoing, clearly reflecting consistent and visible development across this section. In the Tribuna area, the right side still awaits connection joints, while the left section is already further advanced, clearly showing a phased installation approach across the structure. Multiple platforms are active at different levels, with workers carrying out detailed tasks inside the main framework. At the same time, a concrete pump is in operation above, confirming ongoing upper-level works, while the mobility core is also progressing with sandwich panels already staged for installation. Overall, this zone stands out for its strong coordination and continuous multi-level activity, reflecting clear, steady, and well-managed progress across the Tribuna section. In the final corner area, detailed work is ongoing. Crews are cutting, welding, and drilling into structural elements while securing new vertical components. Above, crane operations continue moving materials across levels, while workers remain active in the upper tiers. Even without major visual changes, steady progress is being made through these precise operations. That's a wrap for today's update from Camp Nou, where progress continues across multiple key areas, from structural installations to detailed finishing works. Every section is now moving in sync, and the stadium is clearly stepping closer toward its final form with each update. Take care, stay tuned for the next walkthrough, and thanks for watching.